Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This is your reading for the month of April 1 to 15, 2025. Let's take a look at your overall energy. Okay, tatlong cards. Okay, isa-isahin natin ha. Okay, first, you have the Moon card in upright position. I see that there are hidden emotion, maybe in your relationship, friends, or family. Parang nafe-feel ko for some of you na in a relationship, maybe you're not sure with that person that you are dealing with. Meron kayong parang delusion. Parang hindi nyo masyadong clear kung ano yung purpose nyo in your life this coming April. Parang nasa-sense nyo na ano yung parang nabobored kayo kung ano yung gagawin nyo or anong ginagawa nyo sa inyong love life or inyong career. Hindi talaga kayo sure. Parang unclear yung path nyo. Dito naman sa King of Swords, I think you're going to think of a strategy. You are planning something. You are planning something to change your career or change your financial situation kasi you are in a very challenging situation. You feel uninspired and unmotivated. There's too much responsibilities going on with your life. I think you may feel very stressed. Parang na-feel ko na kahit madami nangyayari sa life nyo, parang inaako niya naman lahat yung mga responsibilities. Kaya ngayon nafe-feel niyo na yung burden, nafe-feel niyo na yung weight. Kaya siguro you're not very sure kung para saan at para ano yung ginagawa niyo ngayon. Parang you lost purpose in your life because of this too much responsibilities. But even though you are in a very challenging situation, you're still planning a strategy to discipline yourself, to control your emotion para ma-overcome mo itong very challenging situation na ito. Okay, Sagittarius, let's get a Mystic Force Oracle cards. Angels, meron na agad. Everything is here. Embrace the spiritual belief that everything already exists in here and now. Live in the present moment and be grateful for what you have. So I think kahit madami kayong responsibilities, it also includes na parang kinakaya nyo na lang because of financial freedom na siguro marami kayong responsibilities pero yung kapalit naman nun is malaking bayad sa inyo. Maybe in your career, ganun, sa inyong job. Kaya siguro kinakaya nyo na lang yung work. So kaya napifeel ko na nagpaplano kayo para i-discipline yung sarili nyo, time management, ganun, para makayanan nyo itong mga bagay-bagay. So, Ang sabi sa inyo ng baraha, ng guidance natin, angel, live in the present moment and be grateful for what you have. At saka, maging thankful na rin tayo, no? Kasi, sa kalagayan natin ngayon, kahit hirap tayo sa ating kanya-kanyang job, mga responsibilities, nakakaya pa rin natin. So, I admire you, Sagittarius, because you are a very strong individual and hindi kayo nagpapatalo sa mga challenges nyo in life. Mapa karera man yan or sa love life nyo. Kasi gumagawa kayo ng paraan to strategic plan to overcome these challenges. And I really admire you for that. Okay, that's your reading, Sagittarius. Take what's resonate and leave the rest that are not. Follow, like, comment, share, and subscribe.